Hello, and this is Explain Dad, and this is a guide on how to block adult contents on Google Android. So let's get started. So first, open up your normal Google Chrome in your Android. Click on the three dotted lines on the top right, and just head on the cog or the settings icon. Scroll down until you see the privacy and security. In here, you can go to the safe browsing, and then just tap on the enhance protection. This will enhance everything that you'll go upon, whether it's a site, if it's dangerous or not, by scanning the site itself, whether it's dangerous or not, by accessing your information without your knowledge. Also, you can either have a secure DNS by just searching up online what type of DNS that is very secure. There's a lot of it. And you can also go for the safety check and the safe browsing as well to double check whether you've activated it or not. The site settings also if you want to be precisely secured as well. But take note that whenever you do anything on the site settings, that could mainly be affected of what your usage could be, such as the sound, the microphone, the camera, and etc. But here's the protected content. Make sure that it's always on, as this will also provide you another layer of protection as well. And so that's about it. This is Explain That, and you've successfully blocked all your adult contents on your Google Android. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.